This is dumbbell lateral squat typewriters. For this one, you need a moderate to heavy dumbbell veering on the side of heavy. Feet are wide like you're going to do a lateral squat. Toes are pointing more forward than they are out. All right, interlace the fingers under the dumbbell. Pick it up, shoulders back, back locked in, chest up, spine long and strong. Come down so that the dumbbell is under the knees. Hips are back behind you, lots of load through the glutes, and then just shift side to side like this. Keep the knees wide. Don't let the knees cave in as you do. Keep the shoulder blades back, and just go for reps on both sides.